talking about I don't care. Oh, he getting the back tire? We get through here. Look out. Look out, look out. Look out. Excuse me. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win, y'all. Y'all excited?
Hell yeah.
Okay, they real excited, y'all. Let's say excited look. Oh, what's up, Trent? We got Trent in the building. Look out, y'all. My cash app is Lookout Racing with the money sign in front of it in case a couple of y'all forgot or anything. Any feeling generous. I might got somebody feeling generous. My Zelle is 214-514-9545. I got a moderator in here, don't I? That was him. I wasn't even paying attention. God damn. Y'all think the motor blowed or what? Damn. What y'all think? You just hurt the intake? Dang. Y'all think it's gonna crank back up and everything be good? Or y'all think it's done? They finna push it back. Ooh, they pushing. So they think they, dang. OJ said next year, brother.
They gonna take the hot rod back to the pits and figure it out, man. Good to see Tony Thorne back out with the hot rod.
Damn. Y'all think it's over with? Look out. You think the motor messed up or what? Check it out right now. They finna check it out.
2nd Street, we waiting on you.
That mud, that hit hard.
Put him in the lane, 2nd Street. Put him in the lane.
Said he done. How many people watching right now? It might be time to. Let me see if the concession stand anything open. I need something to drink. My mouth. Hey. I need me something to drink. Cause when I talk, I can't think. Pull up in the scene, a pretty girl, it's pink. Not the color, I'm talking about the brand. She was sitting over there acting like a fan, but she was sitting in the crowd with a man. I was like, goddamn girl, is you playing? Ooh. Hey, need a damn Sprite. Been here all goddamn night. Pull up everybody like, look out, it's hype. Look out, alright. Pull up in the mug and I might just fight. I don't wanna fight, but I'll record a fight. Pull it in the mug and just might. Hey girl, look out. Hey. Yeah, it's going down. Oh, the window. Oh. Oh, they got something right here. Hey, hey. Light skin winning. Every time I just smile, I be grinning. Pull up and... You ready? You ready?
Right in the heat line where you at?
Hey, what you finna get up here? Well, let me get a, yeah.
I'm a foster kid. How many times I got to tell you?
We on our way. Come on.
Man, give me a, damn.
Let me get 2 more of these.
I need a, Hey, man, how many, what you order, 1 hot dog? 2. Oh, you got 2
hot links.
Oh, you got 2 hot links, okay. You got 2, I thought he had 1. Hey, please let me get a, that's mine? Oh, okay. Let me get a, I'm thirsty. Let me get a Gatorade, that blue one. Ooh, that sounds good. A blue Gatorade. That's what I need right now. That's what I need. Let me see something, hold on. Look out, miss. Hold on. Ooh, what that lemonade good? That ain't cold. Ah, man, what's in there? What's in there? Orange and red. Let me get an orange one. Oh, yeah. Let me get that orange one. I ain't ready to go home.
It's $4.50.
$4.50? Dang. I'm about to go home now. Dang, man, y'all texting.
Y'all support my boy Chuck, so he won't be complaining about
Dang.
support my boy Chuck.
I ain't supporting that much, y'all. I had one good supporter, but
She said if you was at home, you would have to spend money on a drink.
I need to go around somebody that got some drinks. Here you go, a team. Dang. $4.50. I ain't even get a Gatorade, y'all. That $4.50 for a Powerade. Look. They ain't even give me a Powerade. I mean a Gatorade. Watch it. We got OJ, no